To do a great Periscope session, the only tool that you need that is mandatory is your smartphone. You can use an iPhone, an Android, does not matter. You can use any smartphone. Download here the Periscope app and you are ready to reach your audience all over the world. That's all you need. But if you want to get more professional, if you want to guarantee that the quality of your scopes are better sound, better picture, and all that, there are three elements, three equipment that I will suggest to you here on this video. With these three equipment, you will be able to produce better quality video. So you have your smartphone. The first one that I am suggesting to you is a microphone. And here we have the microphone on screen. You see that I purchased this long time ago in November 2015. This is a microphone by Rode. That's the brand. It's a great brand and works amazing. All you do here is you connect this to your smartphone. I have this dongle because I have the new iPhone that doesn't have the auxiliary, the headphone plug. So you can connect with this guy. So you connect here and you put the microphone close to your mouth, something like here. And now I am ready to start doing a Periscope with top quality audio, because the microphone on your smartphone is good, but it's not as good, it's not as professional as an external microphone that you can buy here on Amazon, for example. This one right now is $68. There are cheaper options if you want. I tried several. In my opinion, this is the best brand and the best microphone for your smartphone. I will add the link for this specific microphone and all the other two equipment that I'm sharing with you in this video in the resources area here on the course, okay? So this is the first one. We have the microphone. The next one that I'm suggesting to you is a tripod, because usually when you are doing scopes, you are doing like this. You hold your phone and you are scoping live with your audience. But by having the phone on your hand, you are shaking a little bit. So we need some stability to make it look very professional. And that's why I am suggesting a tripod. And let me go to a tripod here. This is a Joby Gorilla Pod stand. It's $19 on Amazon right now. Basically, you get this part on the bottom here, which is, let me unscrew here. So this is what you get, and you get also a cell phone holder to use it on the top of your phone. So $19. By using this, you have your iPhone with stability. You can place it on the table, you can place it anywhere, because basically the Joby tripod is very flexible. Let me show you here. You can place it anywhere. There is a photo here on a tree, on a table. So you can use this for lot and in everywhere. You know, when you have your Periscope sessions and you are ready to do, instead of having the phone on your hand and shaking all over the video, you can have that a great stability with the tripod. Okay, and the next one is, this one already have the iPhone, the cell phone holder, as you can see here. But this is not very good because you have not flexibility. If you want to put it in landscape mode or in portrait mode, you don't have too much flexibility with this handle. So I use this one, and I love this one. I got this one from Pat Flynn. Is this guy here at the top. So you see that you can use for any size of iPhones or Androids or even iPads, any tablets. You can place it here just by screwing this and choosing the size of your device. Okay, so what I do here is I put my iPhone here. Let me do it for you right now. Here we go. So I screw this, and you see that it's very flexible. It's great. You have all the options here. And I place this on the table, and I'm ready to do my scopes. Stability looks great. I love this holder, and that's why I'm recommending to you right now. It's $15 on Amazon. The name is called iTrek Super Mount Metal Smartphone Tripod Adapter. That's the name. Cool name. This guy here, the silver guy, okay? So if you have these three equipment, the microphone and the tripod and this holder, you have, in my opinion, all you need in order to produce great video, great audio for your Periscope sessions, okay? All the links are here in the resources area. I hope you like this. Again, you don't need this in order to start. You can start right now with your smartphone. That's all you need. But if you want to get more professional, you can invest on this equipment to have a better quality, okay? See you in the next video.